Good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Maths Objective Test Question 22. The total surface area of a solid cylinder is 165 cm. If the base diameter is 7 cm, calculate its height. Now, in this particular question, we are asked to find the height of the total surface area. Now, the formula for finding total surface area is equal to what? A equals to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now this is the formula for finding it. So, and we have that our total surface area is 165. We have that the diameter is 7, meaning the radius is 7 over 2, and our pi was estimated to be 22 over 7. So now we say A, which is 165, is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by r squared. Now r, like I told you, is 7 over 2. So 7 over 2 squared, that's 27 over 2 multiplied by 7 all over 2. Now plus 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by r, which is 7 over 2 multiplied by h. Now when we simplify, this 7 cancels this 7, this cancels this, here we get 11. So we have 22h here. So we have that our 165 will be equal to, this cancels this, we still have 7 over 4. So 2 cancels 2, and here it becomes 11. So we have 7 times 11. So 165 becomes 11 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 11 h. Now 165 is equal to 11 times 7 gives you 77 plus 2 times 11 gives you 22h. So 22h will become 165 minus 77. And when you punch that on your calculator, 165 minus 77 gives you 88. Now 165 minus 77 is equal to 88. So like I said, 22h is equal to 88. So now your h becomes 88 divided by 22, and that should give you 4. So your h, which is the height, is equal to 4. So the question asks you to find h, to find the height, and we found the height, and I said the height is 4 centimeter, and that's the same thing with option C. So the correct option, or the correct answer to this particular question, is option C, 4 centimeter. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.